We're going to go ahead and get started in a comfortable seated position. So cross legs or your legs extended out in front of you. And just for a moment, I want you to imagine your bottom like you're gluing it to your yoga mat. And then touch your shoulders, touch your ears, touch the top of your head, look up to the ceiling, and imagine that there's a string from the top of your head to the ceiling pulling you up. So you're sitting up really tall in your body. And then you're going to stretch your hand into the air and your other hand into the air. And we are going to make a triangle shape with our hands. And you are going to take this triangle shape and let the top, so that the fingers, the top of the triangle touches the top of your belly button, and your hands rest onto your belly, feeling the palms of your hands touching the low part of your rib cage. And we are going to do something called feeling breath. So breathing in, I want you to feel your rib cage expand as you breathe in. And then as you breathe out, feel it contract, it falls away from you. Do that again, breathe in, feeling full. Breathe out, relax down. One more time, breathe in, feel full. Relax, let it go. Very good. So we know that our breath has feeling quality. Now I want to explore that our breath has sounding quality. Take your hands in the air, and then next you're going to wrap your hands around your ears. Take your hands off for a moment. I am going to say breathe in, breathe out, and I want you to listen to the sound that you hear as you wrap your hands around your ears and breathe. Go ahead, sitting up tall, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Very good, bringing your hands down. So it's important to notice our breathing. When we breathe shallow or short, we can feel energized. And when we breathe deep and long, we can feel calm. In today's yoga class, we are going to explore what we do in a yoga class. So you've already done the first part, which is we breathe. The second part is we do different yoga poses. As we do the different yoga poses, you'll know that we will stretch and move our body into various shapes. Some of the poses are named after shapes, some of them are named after things in nature. So notice the different names of the poses as we move through them. And then we'll complete our class with a nice relaxation. So let's go ahead and get started with our poses. The first pose is your most important pose, and it's called rock pose. So coming onto your hands and knees, taking your knees wide, touch your toes together, bring your bottom back towards your heels and your forehead to your mat. Rock pose is important because this is our resting pose. You can come here at any time that you need to take a break from the yoga that we're doing. When you come to rock pose, you want to focus on your breathing. So taking that full deep breath in, deep breath out. The next pose that we are going to do is table pose. So coming up onto your hands and knees, make sure that your shoulders are over your wrist. Spread your fingers wide like the bright stars in the night sky that they can be. So pointing all of your 4 fingers and your thumb forward. Make sure that your knees fall right below your hips, and make sure your spine is nice and long so that nothing falls from your table. And take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Next, we are going to make an arch or an arc-like shape with our spine, doing the pose called cow and cat. So you can moo like a cow and meow like a cat as we move into these poses. Dropping your belly down, draw your shoulder blades together. You're in cow. Pressing into your hands, your knees, and your feet, rounding your spine like a Halloween kitty cat. Meow. Let's go ahead and do that again. Breathe in. Moo. Breathe out.
Breathe in.
Breathe out.
Very good. Coming back to table pose. The next pose that we are going to do is called downward facing dog. Tuck your toes under. Wag your dog tail. You are going to lift your doggy tail up to the sky, and we're going to stretch our doggy legs by taking our doggies on a walk. Bend your knees side to side. And imagine yourself like a teeny tiny dog. How would you sound? And what about a big dog stretch? Woof, woof. Very good. And find your breath. Take a big breath in. Big breath out. Look up to your hands. Slowly, we are going to walk our feet to the back of our hands. Once your feet make it to the back of your hands, you are going to tuck your chin to your chest like you're looking for your belly button. And we are going to come up in slow motion, slowly. Vertebrae by vertebrae, your head is left. Slowly, slowly.
Very good. Standing at the front of your mat, welcome to your body. We are going to practice mountain pose, and mountains are very strong. So I want you to tap your right leg, lift it up and put it down. Tap your left leg, lift it up and put it down. Touch your shoulders, touch your ears, stretch your mountain arms up high. Bring your hands to the side of your body, standing tall, steady, solid, and still in your mountain pose. Breathe in. Breathe out. Very good. Bringing your hands to your hips. We are facing the front of our yoga mats. The next pose that I'm going to introduce you to is warrior pose. And warriors are very strong and they're very peaceful. With your hands on your hips, tap your right leg. That leg stays forward. Your left foot steps to the back of your mat. Left toes are at a 45-degree angle. Right toes face forward. Imagine there were headlights on your hips and you're shining them to the front of your mat. Back leg stays straight and strong. Bend into your front knee. And then as you're ready, find your warrior breath and reach your arms up. Take a deep breath in. As you breathe out, show me your strong warriors. Beautiful. Inhale, take those arms back up. And in one step, mountain. Other side of the body, left foot now stays forward. Your right foot will step back. Imagine those headlights, shine them forward. Back leg stays straight and strong. Your front knee bends. As you're ready, inhale and stretch those warrior arms up. This time, show me your peaceful warriors. And then inhale, stretch the arms back up. And then exhale, step back. You're in mountain pose. Very good. Bringing your hands to your hips, look at your toes. Begin to wiggle your toes. Your toes are the roots to your tree, which keep you strong, stable, solid, and still. Tap your right leg. You are going to use this as your standing leg. Take your left foot, go onto the ball of the foot. That means lift your left heel up. And then slide your foot like a kickstand to the inside of your leg. Use your eyes to help you focus and your breath to help you balance. When you feel calm, steady, and still, bring your tree branches to your heart center. Slowly begin to grow your tree branches. And just like the summertime, fill your branches full of leaves. Take a deep breath in, and as you breathe out, let your leaves fall. Come back, mountain. Hands to your hips. Bend your right knee. Bring your right foot to the inside of your left leg. Eyes to focus, breath to balance. Hands to your heart center. When you feel ready, grow your tree branches. Allow your tree to fill full of leaves. take a deep breath in, breathing out, let your leaves step back, mountain pose. Very good. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Exhale, bend your knees, place your hands onto the ground. Step yourself back to downward facing dog. Looking up to your fingers, bring your knees to the ground. Slide yourself back. Rest in your rock pose. Take a deep breath in. Deep breath out. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Looking up to your fingers, come up to your hands and knees. Cross your ankles. And come through to crisscross applesauce legs. The next pose we are going to do is a twisting pose. Inhale, stretch your arms up high. Taking your left hand to your right knee, your right hand behind you. Inhale, sit up tall. Exhale, twist and look over your shoulder. Inhale, come back to center, stretch your arms up. This time, take your left hand to your right knee and your right hand behind you. Inhale, sit up tall. Exhale, twist and look over your shoulder. Inhale, come back to center, stretch your arms up. And exhale, bring your hands to your knees. The next pose we are going to do is butterfly pose. Bringing the soles of your feet together, pressing your feet together, place your hands onto your feet. Inhale, sit up tall. And as you exhale, imagine that you are folding your butterfly body back into its chrysalis. You're going to gently fold your body forward. Feel the stretch in the legs. Make sure that you're breathing. Take a big breath in, big breath out. And then inhaling, we're going to rise up and slowly and gently give your butterfly wings a little flap. And then bringing your legs together, we're going to come back to lying on the mat. As you come to lying on the mat, bring your feet flat, touch your knees together, place your hands on your belly. And as we move into relaxation, we want to become as calm, as quiet, as still as you can possibly become. Eyes can be open, eyes can be closed. We're going to do feeling breath, and we're going to start by feeling different parts of our body. So starting with the upper chest, you're going to gently bring your hands onto the top of your chest. Take a deep breath in, breathe in, and breathe out. Very good. Bringing your hands back to the low ribs. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Bringing the hands to your belly. Take a deep breath in. Deep breath out. Bringing the hands to your hips. Take a deep breath in. Deep breath out. Bring the hands to the side of your body. Take a deep breath in. Deep breath out. Stretch your legs out to the end of the mat. Take a deep breath in. Deep breath out. Gently wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your toes. Stretch your arms up and overhead. Bring your legs together. Take a big stretch like you're stretching out of bed in the morning. And then you're going to roll over onto your right side. Use your right arm as a pillow. No rush, no hurry. And then very slowly, we're going to press into our hands. Come all the way back up to seated in crisscross legs. Let's go ahead and do one round of our sounding breath to complete. Hands over your ears. Take a deep breath in. Big breath out. Bringing your hands to your knees. Thank you.